Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft Microsoft account not signing into your PS5. So first thing to try out is press on your PlayStation button, then go right there on Switcher, on Minecraft, and close the game. After you have closed the game, you want to go ahead and try out again, launch Minecraft and try to sign in. It should sign in automatically. Now if nothing worked, you want to go ahead to the settings. On settings, you want to go ahead to users and accounts and then go to other. And here you will find restore licenses. So you want to go ahead, press on that. Then you're going to find Minecraft, go ahead and choose that. And then press restore. You want to go back and then go to a network. And on network, you go ahead and check PlayStation network status. Sometimes there's just server issues and that's why you cannot log in. But as you can see, here is now all good. While you are here, you want to go to the settings and you want to go set up internet connection. Then you want to find your internet connection and press options key on your controller and then go to Wi-Fi frequency bands and change it to a different one or just leave it on automatic. After that, you want to go ahead to advanced settings and then you want to press on DNS settings and you want to choose manual instead of automatic. It will probably be automatic for you and you want to enter these primary and secondary DNS settings. So the first one would be 1.1.1.1 and the secondary would be 1.0.0.1. And after that, you want to press OK and it will connect to your internet connection. Now, if by setting up your internet connection, it didn't fix the problem, you want to make sure that your Microsoft account is linked correctly to your PSN account. So you need to do this on PC by signing into your Microsoft account. Now, another thing you can try out is reset signed in data. So again, you're going to go to settings, then go to storage, then you're going to go to console storage and save data. After that, you're going to choose PS5 games or PS4. And here, for example, I have Minecraft. You're going to choose it, press delete. This save data will be deleted, so let's go ahead and do that. Now, once it was deleted, you can go back. And now, if by signing into your Minecraft, it still doesn't log in, you need to go ahead and reinstall Minecraft. Try that. So to do that, you're going to go ahead and go to again storage, then you're gonna go to games and apps, and here you're gonna find Minecraft, which you're gonna go ahead and delete, and after that just reinstall, and after that go ahead and try to launch Minecraft. And just like so, as you can see, you will have this message: sign into your Microsoft account. Press on that, it's gonna start connecting. And now you will need to go ahead and scan the QR code with your camera app or visit the website or just enter the code below. And just like that, you're going to sign into your Microsoft account. As you can see, I have now signed in. And if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.